the Supreme Court has ruled in favor of San Francisco in a major environmental lawsuit against the Environmental Protection Agency, the EPA. KRON 4's Stephanie Rothman has more.
The case started when San Francisco challenged the Environmental Protection Agency after being warned about discharging sewage into the bay and ocean. Tuesday, the Supreme Court ruled 5-4 that the EPA's rules for the city of San Francisco on raw sewage discharge under the Clean Water Act are overly vague. Now the court is instructing the EPA to enforce the Clean Water Act by measuring discharge from San Francisco instead of testing the end result in the ocean.
The pollution in the ocean or the bay could be caused by many sources, by other jurisdictions that are out of our control, and it's unfair to pin our requirements based on that. We are happy to be held accountable to what our city's actually putting into the water. That is a much fairer standard.
San Francisco City Attorney David Chu says Tuesday's ruling will benefit San Franciscans.
The EPA could have forced our city to make over $10 billion of additional capital expenditures, which would have caused our water and sewer bills to skyrocket tenfold to nearly $9,000 a year per ratepayer.
City of San Francisco runs 2 combined wastewater treatment facilities that clean both wastewater and stormwater. During heavy rains, the combination of wastewater and stormwater, including raw sewage, flows into the Pacific Ocean or the San Francisco Bay. The EPA claims in a separate complaint that since 2016, the city has annually discharged an average of 1.8 billion gallons of untreated sewage into local waterways each year. Chu says they're investing billions into updating the system, but critics say the Supreme Court's ruling rolls back regulations.
Now the EPA can't require a polluter to clean up these waters outside its discharge location. The alternative is for a permit to be delayed and denied. And so this takes away that tool for the EPA and may make it harder to issue permits for these municipalities and businesses.
Scott Webb with the Bay Area chapter of the Sierra Club says this will lead to poorer water quality for Bay Area residents.
When there was a big range in the wintertime, for example, the probably requirements are going to have to change a little bit versus maybe in the summer when we see more algal bloom. So now what's going to happen is we'll have a non-dynamic, fixed state of things that are allowed to be submitted or not into these water bodies.
Chu refutes this, saying water quality won't be affected. Reporting in San Francisco, Stephanie Rothman, KRON 4 News.